shatter. You shall not pass!
Welcome to today's show. Your boy Ismail here. The price of Bitcoin hit as low as $3,700. It went as high as $11,900 during this corona pandemic. And Chainlink went from as low as $1.50 to almost $13. I think it passed $13. Watch today's show. That's a lot of memes. And awards from our sponsor also. The price of Bitcoin is facing its final resistance zone before $15,000. The price of Bitcoin has finally tested a new support zone before the weekend. Will it be enough to finally push it above $12,000? The price of Bitcoin is facing its final resistance zone until the bull market is on fire. However, will it break through this resistance zone in one attempt? The chart suggests that the 11,600 and 12,000 area is crucial level to break if the price of BTC is to continue moving higher. As the price of Bitcoin couldn't break through the resistance zone, a slight drop occurred on Friday from $11,900 to $11,350, after which Bitcoin has managed to pare most of its losses since.
But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward.
And if you like some anti-aging cream, anti-inflammation cream, moisturizer, amp oil, anti-stress oil, the link will be in the description below. Bitcoin is still fighting a resistance zone at $11,800 to $12,000. Unfortunately, no breakout just yet, while silver and gold have been showing more strength recently. The chart showed that there is a clear resistance zone at $11,800 to $12,000. This is a significant level as it is the final untested level until Bitcoin enter open air. If there's a breakout in the resistance zone, Bitcoin price can easily run toward $15,000 to $16,000. Such a run would only increase the FOMO, or fear of missing out, in the market. However, such a run is currently unlikely, especially given the recent breakout at $10,000. The chart showed clear resistance and support. The resistance zone can be found between $11,775 and $11,850, and between $11,925 and $11,000 and $12,100. This latter is the final hurdle before the continuous toward $15,000 occur. The green zone is a crucial support zone between $11,300 and $11,400, which has mentioned was tested right before the weekend. Either way, the volatility will kick in once Bitcoin price break through either of the two zones. If Bitcoin price break through the resistance zone, continuation is likely towards $15,000. However, if the opposite occur and Bitcoin price loses $11,300, a drop toward $10,700 will be the next level to the test. Bitcoin is almost as big as Bank of America. All of this speculative capital investment in Bitcoin at the moment total just a few $1 billion shy of Bank of America market valuation. Bitcoin current market cap sits just over $217 billion according to Cointelegraph data at press time, while Yahoo Finance showed Bank of America market cap holding slightly over $226 billion. A comparison introduced in a recent article from the Next Web. Although it has endured its fair share of dramatic price fluctuation, Bitcoin price has grown substantially in 2020, rising past several different wealth comparisons along the way. In March, just before COVID-19 measure turned the world on its head, the United States Central Bank pumped the economy with $168 billion in capital. At the time, Bitcoin market cap held near $145 billion. In April, Amazon CEO Benzino touted a net worth approximately $140 billion, with a Bitcoin gap near $130 billion. On paper, it seemed Bezos could have bought all Bitcoin in circulation with a few billion to spare, although the mass purchase would likely prove impossible in real life due to factors such as rising price and liquidity. On our next update, massive short squeeze prompt Chainlink, price to rally 52%. A massive short squeeze in the future market is likely to reason behind Chainlink price surging 52% on Saturday. Chainlink price continued to set a new record as DeFi-related tokens surged 52% to reach a new all-time highs at $13.87 yesterday. Over the last 24 hours, Link has surged by 52%, rallying from $9.05 to as high as $13.85 on Binance Exchange. As Chainlink demonstrated a strengthening uptrend, its competitor, Brand Protocol, Ben, which also operates as a network for Oracle, spiked 50% to reach a new all-time high as $12.44. The sudden uptrend of Link was likely caused primarily by the squeeze of a short contract in a future market. As Link was continuously rising, its funding rate stayed below 0%, hovering at negative 0.02%.
225? Is that area code or something?
The cryptocurrency future market employs a mechanism called funding to ensure the market is balanced. When the market is heavily swayed toward buyers, then the buyers have incentivized sellers and vice versa. As an example, if there's an overwhelming numbers of traders shortening Chainlink on Binance Future, then the funding rate would turn negative. In this situation, short-term contract holders or sellers need to pay long contract holders to maintain their position. Throughout the past several hours, as Link price soared, its funding rate on Binance Future remained negative. This indicates that as its price was soaring, many traders were attempting to short the asset. A continuous loop of short contract caused a short squeeze. In turn, spurred buying demand and fueled Chainlink momentum. A pseudonymous trader known as Benjamin Blunt emphasized that while Link is theoretically appealing to short, the market sentiment is bearish. When the market is overcrowned by one side, which is in the case of Link was bearish looking to the short asset, it tends to move in the opposite way. Quote, I actually would be inclined to start looking for a short soon. However, it seems my entire feed is doing the same. So I'll wait for another push higher, I think. Not really interested in staying in front of the strongest, fastest horse right now. That was all for today's news and update. This has been your boy Ismail. Have a great day. Peace. See you again tomorrow.